This is cute. Don't have a table. These. I'm gonna spray paint gold. Ugh. Let's see, what else do we want? I think the only thing I really need now is a wreath. See, Walmart has some cute stuff that's cheap. These are cute. Do you like candle holders? $1.98. I don't want all this shit though. And I could put these on my balcony. I don't really like those. I always just buy that instead of making one, but what's the fun in that? Okay. These are cute. Definitely gonna get a couple of these, but again, we're gonna spray paint these gold. Maybe even one table. Yeah, we're stuck to the gold. These are cute bookends. Okay guys, so I am home now and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I'm just gonna show you like a haul now, and then in Sunday's video, I'll show you me putting everything together and show you what all of this mess becomes. So if you wanna see like the actual DIY parts, just make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload, and you'll see all of that on Sunday. So let's just go ahead and look at what I got. So let's start with the wreaths. Like I showed you in Walmart, I ended up picking up 2 wreaths. This one is the smaller one. This one was $2.78, and this I'm going to use for Christmas time, but since I had it and it was cheap, I figured I'd get it now because they're probably gonna be gone. So that doesn't matter for right now. But for right now, I got this wreath. This is perfect for fall. It was $4. There's no price tag, but it was like $4.48. And we're gonna do some stuff with that. I did end up picking up a whole bunch of like flowers and leaves. So this was 99 cents or 97 cents. 97 cents. And so was this one. It was $1.97 since it has like the little pumpkin in it. This one was the same, $1.97 and $1.97. So these ones you really don't need to get. I mean, oh, they're $1.34. So it's still a really good price. I mean, obviously you have these for 97 cents. So, but I got those. I also got a styrofoam sponge that I'm going to use and the pumpkin that I'm going to show you. I ended up getting this wood letter B, which I'm going to put on the wreath. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see the video of me doing that. I'm going to spray paint that. And then I ended up getting 2 little pumpkins, and I'm going to end up spray painting those as well. Although, I mean, fall is obviously like orange and black and browns, but that's not the color of my decor that I have in my house. Everything is white, gray, teal, and gold with my living room. So I'm going to kind of keep that same theme, but just make it a little bit more fall. This is a spray paint that I always use. If you've seen any of my other DIY projects, you know this is the one that I always use at Walmart, and I just end up picking up a gold. It's called Brilliant Gold. It's a metallic, so we're going to use that to spray paint. I did get a wreath holder. I do have one already for Christmas, but it has like a Christmas tree on it, so I just went ahead and got a plain one for now. And then I did get this pink pumpkin, but it's not gonna stay pink for very long, but I did get that, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I do with that. So that's all that I got from Walmart, and everything at Walmart was total price. Okay, that's just for my spray paint. The guy at Walmart didn't know what he was doing. I had to ring it up twice, but spray paint was $4.28. Anyways, I think everything at Walmart came to like $26, and that's including the spray paint. So we're gonna move on to what I got at Dollar Tree. So I ended up getting some more leaves. These were my first leaves. So I got these. Those were $1. I ended up getting these 2 gold things. These were obviously $1 a piece. They're Dollar Tree. We're gonna use that for some stuff. I got this leaf plate. We're gonna spray paint that as well. I ended up getting 2 vases because you see that vase right over there. Absolutely love that vase, but it has a hole in it. So the last time I put flowers in there, all of the water leaked out. So one of these is gonna go in there so that I can actually put the flowers in there. And then one of these we're gonna use for DIY. And then I got some ribbon. And that is it. So that is everything that I got for the DIY. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you can be notified. And on Sunday, all of this will become some other stuff.